Hello friends, my name is Ajaz Kazi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Today we are going to look at project management as the topic of my video. And the topic is top terms every project manager must know. Very important, and I hope you will get value out of it. Before I proceed, I request you to subscribe my channel and spread it among your friends. The first one is dependability. As a project manager, you must be on time, you must meet deadlines, you must support your peers. And first, and the most important thing, as a leader, as a project manager, you are a leader, you must be a team player. And you must lead with the example. You must walk the talk. So there are certain important aspects of dependability, being on time, that gives everybody that you are serious. Walk the talk, you mean business, and you are popular for meeting the deadlines. The second important thing is communication. PM, everybody knows, spends 90% time on communications. The communication needed for a lot of things: conflict management, negotiation, team building. For everything you need a right communication. And there are data points over here. The communication is not only when we talk about verbal thing or writing. 55% non-verbal cues, 38% your tone of voice, and 7% only are spoken words. So everything, your body language, your tone, everything is important in communication. The third term is crisis management. 59% business experiences the crisis management, but only 54% are prepared. So you crisis management doesn't mean that you have to do firefighting. Crisis management means you have to detect early, you have to identify early, you have to consider and then engage to make sure that the crises are taken care. The fourth one is sense of humor. As a leader, you should have the sense of humor. 62% feel humor helps, and 100% feel that humor is the important part of conducting any business, right? And that goes also for project management. So these are some of the important terms. Please subscribe my channel, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you.